I'm going to teach you how to represent irrational numbers on the number line. We have already represented root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 9. Root 9 is not needed. Root 11, etc. How to represent these things on the number line? This is a class 9 concept. Now for that we need to have a number line, right? So we have to represent on the number line this one. Okay. So I am drawing a number line here. So I'm going to mark some equal points, 0, 1 mark, and let us say 8. I'm putting equal marks here. Huh? Even I have put equal marks. So this point, let us say 0. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and so on. Okay. Now this you have to put it in terms of 2 squares. So 1 square, 1 square. 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 root 2. Why this? This will be one side because we are using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is a right angle triangle will be there. Okay. This is one side and this is one side. So this is side square and side square. This is equal to root of a side square. This is the Pythagoras theorem concept in right angle triangle. So this is a square, one side square, this is one side square. Now root 2, I am putting this is 1 square and this is 1 square. Root 3 also you have to put it like 2 sides. Okay. So now 1 is easy to locate on the number line, whereas root 2 is not possible. So 1 can be easily located. So this is 1. Now that means the base we have already got. That means let us say this is A and this is B. AB is 1. Then we need this one. This perpendicular you can draw at 0 or at 1. That means you can perpendicular you can draw here. You can draw here also. I'll draw here. This is perpendicular. I'll put the equal marks. Right, इसके पहले मैंने इसे किया था. This is 1 and this is 2. Equal marks. So now this is 1 and this is 1. If I join this, what happens? You will be getting I'll join this. This is root 2. Root 2. This is root 2. Okay. Now we have got this line segment. This line segment is root 2. How to bring this point, this length on this? You have to use a compass. To locate this line segment on the number line, we need a protractor. So take this exactly and mark a point like this. So and this point is known as root 2. This is a root 2. Because I have taken an arc of this root 2 as radius. So same way, now I have got root 2 here. Now for example, root 3, how do you get root 3 here? I did not make it properly, so it's only. So let us say this is root 2 and this is 1. So then what happened? Root 2 whole square plus 1 square is nothing but 2 plus 1, nothing but root. So root 3 should be written like root 2 whole square and 1 square. So that means to find root 3, we need root 2 as one base. Root 2 as one base. That means one side root 2, one side 1. Okay. So now, this we have already got, let us say this is C. This is C. And AC is, if you make it AC, AC is root 2. We have got already one base. Right? This root 2, you can have it on this also. So, what I will do, I will have it on this line. So, for that I have to use my protractor, compass. So, now this is root 2. If I take from here, this is root 2. Okay? So now this is root 2. That means if I take x and y, xy is root 2. That means you can take root 2 either on the base horizontal line or on the vertical line. Anything is okay. So the advantage if you take it on the this one is, say if I join this, what happens? If I join this is root 2. This top one is root 3. Okay. Now this entire thing is root 2. So now I have got root 3 as one length. Again I will take the protractor, compass, and I will measure this root 3 because root 3 as this one I got it, and then you have to be very careful because mine is a slippery surface. This is root 3. I got root 3 on the number line also. So this point is root 3. So like this, you can have root 5, root 7, root 11, etc. etc. You have to make in the form of a right angle triangle, product of sum of squares of two sides. We have to write it, and then accordingly you can have all root numbers on the number line. Try for root 5, root 7, etc. For example, square root of 5, you can write 2 square and 1. 2 square is 4 plus 1, 5, root 5. So 2 as one base and 1 is one side. So in the place of this you can have, you will get root 5. Okay, root 7, 1 you can have 4 and root 3 you can have. Okay, that means 4 is 2 square and root 3 square. Root 3 is needed for root 7. So like this you have to make a square, sum of squares of two sides. That means Pythagoras theorem you have to bring it in this, and then accordingly using the appropriate geometrical instruments you have to locate these things on the number line. So please practice the other square root numbers also, which may be getting in the examination. Right? Thank you.